Vilpe Monterrey Kronoplast Whippy. Introducing the Vilpe Monterrey plus Kronoplast Whippy, a roof or attic ventilation system that's perfect for metal shingles. It's easy to install, even on finished roofs, and it's designed to keep rain out. Plus, it works efficiently even when there's up to 10 centimeters of snow on the roof. You can install it on roofs with inclinations ranging from 15 to 75 degrees, and maintenance is a breeze. Just unscrew 4 screws. This model stands out for the accessories it includes: a rubber gasket, screws, sealants, and clear instructions for installation. It measures 33 by 26 centimeters and weighs about a kilogram. The price for this system is $33 for the first version and $52 for the second version. Rinnai Evaporative Cooler. In 2022, many Europeans faced extreme heat waves, with temperatures exceeding 40 degrees Celsius in some French cities and reaching 39 degrees Celsius in Berlin. In such hot conditions, evaporative cooling systems can provide relief. These systems work by drawing hot air from outside through a wet material, where the water cools the air as it evaporates. You can control the temperature easily using a touch panel or your smartphone, as the system is compatible with Wi-Fi. The cooling plates in these systems are thick, up to 13 centimeters, and the housing is designed to blend with your ceiling. Plus, the pump is self-cleaning, reducing maintenance hassle. One of the significant benefits is that the air in the room is refreshed every 2 to 3 minutes, helping to eliminate unpleasant odors quickly. Doinglight Tunnel Solar. Did you know that having natural light and a view from a window are really important for making a workspace productive? Well, according to a survey, more than 30% of people said they don't have enough light in their workplace. But luckily, there's a solution: light tunnels. These light tunnels are super helpful, especially in big office buildings where some rooms don't have windows. Even just one 52.5 centimeter tunnel can brighten up areas up to 40 square meters. And if you need to cover a bigger space, there's an 82.5 centimeter version that can light up to 75 square meters. When you're installing them, you can bend the tunnels at angles of 30, 45, and 90 degrees to fit your space perfectly. Plus, the money you put into these tunnels usually pays off in about 5 years, because they make such a big difference in lighting up your workspace. Starlink. Elon Musk, known for his various ventures, has brought his Starlink satellite internet service to rooftops worldwide. Development of Starlink began in 2015, and it's still grabbing attention today. In January of this year, Nigeria became the first African country to connect to the network. By May, the number of subscribers worldwide had reached 1.5 million, with over 3,500 satellites already launched. To access Starlink, you need ground antennas about 50 centimeters long. These antennas are placed outdoors, such as on a roof, and connected to power and a router. Then you configure them using the app. The antennas automatically rotate to find the best position for connection. Depending on your plan, you can achieve speeds of up to 250 megabits per second, with an average of 120 maps. Polypipe Smart Roof 2.1. The government has a program to add greenery to rooftops, and experts recently looked into how well it works. They found that for every $1.02 spent on the program, about $33 is generated for the budget through new services, benefits, and business projects in these new green areas. It's a great example for other cities to follow. Many companies offer ready-made green roofs, which typically consist of multiple layers tailored to each project's needs. For instance, if the roof is steep, more than 10 degrees, they use a containment mesh. Dumo Solar Water Heater. With the Dumo Solar Water Heater, you can save on both lighting and hot water thanks to the sun's energy. This water heater from China can be easily installed on your roof. Once set up, you'll have access to up to 300 liters of hot water for activities like showering and dishwashing. The water can be heated up to 62 degrees Celsius, but the tag is coated to handle temperatures up to 85 degrees Celsius, just in case. The system comes with built-in features, like an anode rod to protect the tank from corrosion. The price for a 300-liter version of this solar water heater is around $1,000. Yellowblue Solar Attic Fan. Let's talk about the Yellowblue Solar Attic Fan, which fits into our solar energy theme. It's a ventilation system that has some great advantages. First off, it helps your air conditioner work less, which means lower electricity bills for you. Secondly, it keeps the air in your attic from getting too hot and stale, which can cause problems for your roof. Thirdly, it makes sure there's enough fresh air circulating, which reduces the chances of things stored in your attic getting damaged. This system works for both flat and sloped roofs, and it's designed without any plastic parts, taking inspiration from jet engines. The 20-watt model can move up to 25 cubic meters of air per minute without much effort. Fakro Galeria. The fakro Galeria is a rooftop innovation that recently appeared on TV. It was featured on a show called Instant Dream Home, where they transform houses in just one day. This skylight is pretty amazing because it can turn into a balcony, which is perfect for quick renovations. The top part of the skylight can swing open 180 degrees sideways or tilt up 45 degrees. The bottom part is about 98 centimeters high and has folding railings behind it, making it both beautiful and practical. It's made with pine wood by the manufacturer and comes with top-notch security features like the top-safe system for burglary protection and P2 vandal-resistant glazing. Plus, it has a special vilpe valve to prevent condensation. PIC Roof Sprinkler Kit by Circo Innovations. The PIC Roof Sprinkler Kit by Circo Innovations comes at a crucial time. With the European Union facing a record loss of woodland due to forest fires, these sprinkler systems are no longer just a luxury but a necessity. While they may not put out big fires, they stop embers from catching fire and spreading, which helps protect homes and plants nearby. This patented version covers about 24 meters around your home, weighs just over 2 kilograms, and can be adjusted to fit almost any roof angle. It's priced at $240. Rainy. Rainwater can be seen as both a problem and an opportunity. Richard runs a company that collects, purifies, and sells rainwater, offering 12 cans for $17. However, anyone can give rainwater collection a try. Filters for this purpose start at $50. Depending on the model, these filters can purify between 120 and 480 liters of water per minute. They work best with roofs up to 120 square meters in size, with a maximum precipitation rate of 75 millimeters per hour.